Okay, good afternoon. It is February 12th, 2021. It's Friday, end of the week. It looks like, I guess you could consider this an uptrend day, right? Prices were moving up most of the day. I guess they've been ranging from here, coming off this level. You know what? Now that I see that this level corresponds to this range over here, this is definitely not aggressive. That's a good trade. But yeah, it looks like prices trended up today. And yeah, let's take a look at the trade I took on the mini. Okay, so this was an aggressive trade. Okay, yeah, this was an aggressive trade because it looked like this trend line wasn't. It was going to start to fail to keep prices in, but it was a second entry kind of, first entry, and then it went down and broke above that. And I entered on this bar, but I actually entered with a limit order because I saw this trend line starting to not hold prices. So I actually I'm glad I did the limit order because I got in just barely. So I did go long here. I figured there would be trap shorts, and yeah, I'm okay that I entered on a limit order. I'm glad I didn't enter. Obviously, I'm glad, but you know, with this trend line, prices aren't going back to the top. Became a little risky. But let's check out these on the ES. Not a lot of convincing trades. I kept looking, but I just couldn't see anything. So here we got, what time is that? A little after the bell. I actually didn't mark anything before the bell. Let me pause the video and see if there's any. I don't think you want to take this as a second entry long. So I don't really see anything here. Maybe this higher, oh wait, that's not a higher low though. This higher low maybe, because this does look like a little mini chain. And that will be going into the line though. So anyway, you get this this right here, and this is aggressive. But if you do draw the bottom of this trend channel off those two lows right here, does look like it's about to correspond with that. And you know there would be some trap shorts there because of this big bearish bar. Prices work up, and at this point, it looks like we might have a strong uptrend going. But prices start to range, and when they come down here and hit this price level, that looks like a second entry, and it's off the trend line, and it's at the bottom of this range, and it's off the EMA. All those things working together, I like that. So here, let me get this bigger. This looks like the first leg down, second leg down. Boom. It also looks like it's like a triple test of that price level down here. And like I said, it's at the bottom of that range. You could have that range drawn because the congestion starts right here. And this trend channel fails to hold prices. We get a leg down, leg back up. And I marked this as aggressive. First entry, it's yeah, I guess it does look like a second entry short though, but it's going into the midline. I like signal bars and ranges that close like right at the top, and we'll see one of those later. Anyway, then we get this second entry long, and if you had this trend line, no, you wouldn't have had this trend line. So why you would take that is because it's a second entry, and it's a counter trend break. So you could be getting a very important low of the day, and you do. that would be all you needed for the day. Let's see how much that would have gotten you. 625. I probably would have gotten out here. So 8 points. It's a big move. And so that move looks like it might have been the attempt at a measured move from this leg up in the overnight. We came like a point shy of that. So prices break into this congestion right here, this really small congestion area. Yeah, you can't enter it. Even though it's very far from the EMA, and you get a lower high here, I don't think you can enter it. Clearly some longs got trapped here though. And super aggressive, you might enter here because it's counter trend break, but no good setup. And this is a big old bar here, but it's going back into the range, and I really like those entries. And it trapped these longs with that tick above. And then we make a double top right here. No good signal setup right there, though. And prices go into this channel. And here we kind of have, it's like a reverse repeat pattern of this trend earlier where it was just riding the lower part of the channel. But maybe this was steeper. That was a break. The 2 legs down, maybe? I don't know. But anyway, this kind of looks like you get this double test of this level, and then prices go down, they come back. That looks like it might trap some shorts, but then it comes back up. See, that's like it kind of looks like a second entry short. That's why I marked it. And it's off the trend line, the EMA. Maybe that shows that this larger channel is accurate because you get this leg down and then this leg down. But anyway, prices make this congestion here, and this is the only setup I really see. And the reason I like that, this is off this price level that I have marked here, and it's at the bottom of range, and the range looks pretty big. However, it does look a little bit congestive here, but I do like that. That's at the bottom of the range, plenty of space, even space to the EMA. So that's all I really saw today. Now it looks like there's a channel working up. So not a lot of trades. It's Friday, so I can't compare this with Max, but hopefully you got some good trades in today, and I'll be back next week.